My Canon C100 Mark II is broken, was my initial thought when it wouldn't turn on. Says a lot about my mind perhaps. As it turned out, it's the battery that's dead. It was working just fine. I recharged it when it was nearly empty. The LED indicator was full. It's one of the newest battery in my kit, relatively. And boom, suddenly the battery's dead. RIP. Anyway, when I tried a different battery, the C100 powered back on just like normal. If it ever happens to your C100 or any other devices, perhaps first check if it's the battery that has failed before going on Reddit to ask for help. I wish you best of luck.